Let's make your Samsung phone's always-on display truly yours. In this video, I'll guide you through all the steps to personalize it just the way you like. Let's dive in. First, make sure to turn on the always-on display option. To do that, go to the settings, scroll down a little bit, then tap on lock screen. Before that, ensure to turn off the power saver. Now toggle on the always-on display from here, then back to the settings page again, and tap on themes. Now tap on AODs from the bottom. Here you'll find so many AOD options. Tap on any option. After that, tap on download from the below. Next, tap on apply. Now select your AOD style, such as clock and image. Next, tap done. Now go ahead and check. Hopefully everything ran smoothly for you. If this video helped you out, a like would be greatly appreciated. Got questions or need a hand? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.